welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN application, AT Net VPN. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to a friend, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and they will be coming. Enable the notification, and then once we post anything new about these tutorials, will be the first person to get these tutorials, and then you'll be able to connect before they are like blocked. So subscribe, share, and then like. Any problem, the comment section is open. So let us start. We're going to start by opening Google Play Store, and then once you open Google Play Store, we're going to download a VPN application called AT Net VPN application. Download this application, install this application, and open this application once all that has been done. So take note of the app icon, and then take note of the app name, AT Net VPN, and take note of the developer's name, NetGen VPN and Multimedia Services. So open this application, allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this VPN application, and then you will be requested to join their Telegram channel. Tick the box, don't show again, and then you're free to join or not by pressing either close or join to keep up with the product updates. So guys, this tutorial is for its purpose, is for research, informational, educational, and demonstration purposes only. So guys, viewers, users, and subscribers are requested to follow the local laws and internet service providers, terms and conditions, community guidelines, and others. So let us continue setting this application. We are going to come right there. We are going to come right there. Let me first close the brush, and then you are going to choose any server that is near to your country's location, but I recommend the auto select server. And then once that is done, but before going to the next step, we must update the servers by checking right there, and then once until you see this word that no update is available, then you're going to come right there where you have Wi-Fi and mobile data, and then you're going to search all country for UDP, or you are free to search your country's name. For example, you can search UG for Uganda, you can search Zimbabwe or ZW for Zimbabwe, you can search Zimbabwe, you can search any country of your choice or of your origin, but I recommend you to use the all country UDP faster. And then after choosing that, we're going to come on the last step of pressing the start button, and then once we press the start button, we're going to connect this VPN application. Then you are free to close the advert. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial, and then I sign out.